Hey guys, Dan Heilman back with another video. Today we're talking about a quick update in the crypto market, and we're going to be talking about some very cool events on one of my favorite exchanges where you get some very nice bonuses. They have a bunch of Halloween stuff going on, so I want to talk about some of that, talk about trading and what we have going on here. So let's begin. All right, very first thing. So we've had a big pullback. It ended up being about 5 to 7% depending on where you measure it from, and here we go. So I thought we had the chance of coming down to the 0.5. We still do have the chance of coming down to this fib level of 63,900. May not happen, may happen. We will probably see about 9:30 a.m. today when the stock market opens. So we had a nice candle though, some nice rejection with a decent amount of volume on it. Now it was not as much volume as we had basically trying to break back through this. You can see we have been respecting this line for many hours now, many hours. So that has been very interesting. So yeah, what do we got going on here? Let's see if we have any winners today. Solana has been an absolute champion lately. Solana is my biggest holding, so I am pretty excited about that. My cost basis down here about 150 bucks total. So I've been dollar cost averaging for most of this year. So that's where we're at right now. We are significantly up above our cost basis, 13%, nice little gain there. Render still kind of just laying down here in the dumps. What else do we got? XRP, it's funny, we have the most bullish news ever on XRP and the price still only goes down. It only goes down, the price only goes down. I don't know, maybe one day we'll see a breakout from XRP. Let's do a quick look at the total market cap. What do we got going on here? I don't like that one. Let's look at this one instead. You can see we have had a little breakout coming out of this channel here. We've had a retest, and we'll see if we can break out. Now, in terms of altcoin markets, alt seasons, it is difficult to predict, but usually it's only in very good financial times, right? Low unemployment, low rates, everyone is prospering, and we'll see a max on the Bitcoin price, and then you will see the price pump here. Let me kind of just show you what I'm talking about. So if we look at this chart here, this is the total crypto market on top and Bitcoin on the bottom. You can see we had the first top of Bitcoin right here in, what is this, April 14th, 2021. And then you can see we actually didn't have the altcoin market top until a month later. So, and then you saw a big pump later as well. So what happens is a lot of people, when Bitcoin tops out, they take the profits and then they want to move into the highly speculative altcoin market. So this is the total crypto market excluding the top 10. So this excludes Ethereum and all of the stable coins and Solana and some of those top 10 there. So that is that. Now I want to talk about some of the stuff I've been doing. I have a couple trades open on Bitunix. So if you want to download an exchange and you want to go long because you think it's going long and you think these nice pullbacks are a great time to dollar cost average or even open up some leverage trades, use Bitunix. I have a link down below. It's been my favorite exchange. We have really cool Halloween stuff going on, welcome bonuses. So they have up to $5,000 of up to 5,500 for newcomers coming in. So if you use my link in the description below, you'll get VIP 3 for 1 month, which will mean that your trading fees are very low, and you'll also get up to $5,500 depending on how much you put in there. So this is the only legal crypto leverage exchange that I know of in America. Again, not financial advice. I am not a lawyer, any of that. Read the terms of service, but I have spent a lot of time reading the terms of service in here. And there is nothing against the US market or really any other market. So lots of stuff you can do here. You can see if you deposit stuff, you can get very, very nice bonuses, up to 5,000 here, and you can get other stuff just for like doing your KYC. You can do KYC or no KYC, which is very cool. So It's been interesting because I drew these lines here on the chart quite a long time ago. I should have opened up a trade at this bottom line here. You can see at about 65,380, we bounced perfectly off of it and bounced up, we'll call it 3%. So if you had 10x leverage, that would have been a 30% gain for you. This exchange is very cool. You can basically change all of your leverage if you want. You can add margin so you don't have to worry about getting liquidated. So there's lots of things that you can use here. You can trade all sorts of assets. I think they have like 125 pairs or something like that. But I've been having a blast on here. I'm quite negative on a lot of trades right now, but basically what I like to do is I like to open, let me show you Sui, because I've been, or I'll just show you like Ethereum, for example. So I just opened a trade on Ethereum last night. I was up great when I went to bed. Whoa. And then not anymore, of course. So here we go. Basically what happened is I opened up a trade when I saw this big bar starting here. I was up about... at the high, I was up, I don't know, 20-30%, right? Because I have a 20x leverage. Now, if you want to do altcoins, they're basically like trading with leverage already. So maybe only use like 3-4x. I was planning on closing this pretty quickly. Now I'm a little bit negative. So what you can do is you can just continue to add to this trade, right? So I can open another limit order. Let's say if I think it's going to go down here to 2480, I can just say, all right, I'm going to go 2480. I'm going to add in 25% of my portfolio. Now, I don't keep a lot of money on here, so I just, add money as is. And for this Halloween thing, you can add $300 a day to get lotto tickets, and you basically have a chance to win, like, I think it's like 10 grand, and there's a bunch of like $1,000 prizes and all sorts of stuff. So I've been putting in $300 a day into the exchange just for this Halloween event. And then basically you can open orders like this. So what it'll do, it'll actually combine your orders. So some exchanges, they'll open up 2 different trades. This one does combine your orders, which is pretty cool. So if I just hit open here, you can see 2480, I hit open, I hit confirm. It'll show you the liquidation price. Now, what you can do is you can adjust your leverage so that this liquidation price is lower than where you think it'll go. Okay, so that's 2407. So if I go to the daily here, 2407. Well, how likely am I to get liquidated? I would personally say, all right, I would be a little bit happier under if that liquidation price was under this 2100, right? Because we might retest this bottom, and honestly, we could obviously even go lower than that. If you look at the chart, you can see we could go all the way down to, anywhere down here, possibly. So if you really want to play it super safe, you could say, all right, I'm going to do it like this so that I'm only going to get liquidated if we go to 800. I mean, come on, this is 2023. So that's very, very highly doubtful. This is the low for the day. So you probably want your liquidation price to be lower than 2095. We'll call it $2,000 on the dot. You can see we've tested this multiple times. So this is a nice resistance point right here. You can see we tested it over on this side and we tested it over here. So that'd be a good place when you set up your trade here. So ideally you'd have a little bit lower leverage than I have right now. But what you can do is you can just continue to add margin as well. So if you're worried about you're going to get liquidated, you can press this increase margin button. You can see I can add up to $200 in margin, and you can see as you add it, it lowers your liquidation price. Okay, so that's how you can add leverage if you want to. Basically, the whole goal of this is when the price comes down, is you can get more, you can add more to your positions. As the price goes up, you can take profits in your position. So for me on this 20x position, so you can see where we are right here. If we were to only go up to here, which we've hit many times, up to this 2720, you can see for my order, that would be a profit of $85, and I only have a $100 position, right? Times 20. So it's, basically $3 grand, almost 1 Ethereum, but pretty sweet. So that'd be 144% profit, right? And all we're doing is going from this value right here to this value up here. So it doesn't look like a lot. This is only a 7%, but times 20, now we're at 140%. Okay, so that's how this all works with leverage. You're basically, I only put $100 into this position here. Let me show you the actual position. So I only have $100 in the bottom left here into this position, right? $119 is my actual risk in there, right? So I'm only risking that, but my position size is actually 2345, which is almost 1 ETH, and that is because I have 20x leverage. I have isolated, meaning if I lose this position, I don't lose my whole account, right? So the worst I could lose on this position is only $119. but I can make, you know, easily a very solid amount of profit just by taking my profit up here. And what I like to do is I like to take, you know, 25% or 50% of my profit. As you can see here, I'm only taking 50% of my profit in case it goes higher. If it goes lower, then I just add to the position. If it goes higher, I take my profits. So that's what I've been doing lately. And I don't use stop losses. My stop loss is basically my liquidation price. But that's why I'm using very, very small, you know, this is only $120 and my whole account is, you know, $2,000-$3,000. So I'm only using a small percentage of my account, and that's what I'm risking. But anyways, I just wanted to do a quick update video today. I want to talk about this event that's going on in Bitunix. Use my link below. It helps me out. It helps you out. It gives you VIP. You'll have lower fees, and it's an amazing exchange. I've been playing with it a lot. It's very quick. I've been using this and Margex for a while. I do prefer this one over Margex. You know, there's pros and cons to both, but especially if you're in America, definitely use Bitunix over Margex. But anyways, that's it for the video. Again, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate the support. I'm not getting a lot of views, but I am just enjoying the couple people that have been interacting with the channel. We have some people in Discord that we talk about different trades and stuff like that. I do post a lot of my trades in Discord and a lot of my speculation in here. If you do want to join, there's only literally like 8 of us in here, but feel free to join the Discord. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and press that thumbs up. It really helps interaction on the channel. I converted this channel from an old gaming channel, so I think most of my subscribers are gamers and not investors. So I think that's why the views are quite low, and I don't post as often as I would like to. But anyways, enough of that. Have a great day, everyone. Hope you guys enjoying the content. Again, I have all sorts of links down below if you want to sign up for TradingView, sign up for exchanges, all of that good stuff. And again, press that like button and subscribe button. Have a great day, everyone. See you guys.